So now that we've determined the best function of your space, in part 3, I'm going to talk about the materials. And I'm going to use a term that we as designers say all the time called the hero. And here, our hero is behind the mirror. That's where your focal tile is. It's a large scale slab marble. And then your flooring becomes a little bit more subtle because you don't want to take away from the hero behind the mirror. Okay, so if that hero was too loud for you and too permanent, you could do something like this. A very timeless Carrara marble top paired with a soft wood vanity, and then you could put a wall covering around your mirror area, and that's something that you could easily change out. Say you wanted to be moodier with a deeper color. It's not really as committed to a large scale marble slab, but it also has a lot of personality to it. The last tip I have for you is choose those foundational elements that are timeless. This large-scale natural stone on this back wall is timeless. It will not be going out of style anytime soon. In the next series, we're going to talk about mixing metals. There are 3 different metals, 4 actually, in this photograph behind me. Find out how you can do that to your Builder Grade bathroom too.